Step 1. Required programming. Remove protective film for battery from the remote. Insert the visor clip into the slot on the back of the remote. Please note that you should not hold the remote control too close to the opener when programming the remote buttons. Press and hold the square program set button until the round LED light turns blue. The long LED begins flashing purple. Press and release the button you have chosen on the remote to use. The long LED that is blinking purple now turns into a solid purple. Press and release the same button on the remote. Both the long and round LEDs will flash blue, then turn off. Press and release the same button on the remote. The door should open or close, and your remote is ready to use. Repeat as necessary for additional remotes. To program the same remote for other openers, repeat the steps using the other two remote buttons. Each remote can be programmed for up to 3 openers.